guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike ACG TORRE MID. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike ACG TORRE MID in the Pecan colorway, and we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's US 8.5. Now I know I said this is a sneaker review, it technically is, but considered to be a boot. We'll see now why. Here it is. I mean, you can see why I can kind of get away with calling it a sneaker. This is really a boot. And for those that are new or are unfamiliar with Nike ACG, ACG means all conditions gear. This is kind of like Nike's department where it's for essentially all conditions. Gorp core, very dope products have been made out of this department. Line even. So we'll start with the outsole. So you've got a lugged outsole, it's rubber, and it's a heavy lugs, obviously, because this is kind of a hiking boot. So it's here to try and prevent you from any slippage. The midsole itself is a foam midsole with cushioning, but the main unique selling point of the sneaker is that this is waterproof. So you look at the upper, again, you've got these premium materials on the upper, suede upper in the brown, and then you can kind of see underneath you've got these textile materials that make the rest of the sneaker. This is an archival piece from the 90s, well, specifically 1995. It's got that dad boot look kind of about it, retro feel as well, but it's very useful, especially if you live in somewhere like Britain where it's kind of icy sometimes, rains a lot. This is something you should go for. You got that Gorp core feel as well, the hiking aesthetic. You can see in the laces, you got these robe laces, the two-tone, the tongue. You've got the mesh material as well as the suede, Nike swoosh, and Nike lettering in purple kind of goes with it. And you've got these like D-rings for the laces also. The insole, you look at the insole, you've got a textile insole, and just want to go back onto the padding that surrounds the ankle and the tongue. Very nicely padded because essentially these are walking boots. Just to look at the heel, you can see that suede upper goes all around this boot here. It's kind of hairy suede all around. And then the pull tab, you've got this kind of like 90s feel pull tab about it in the black and purple. And even though it is an archival piece from the 90s, it isn't as heavy as its predecessor because of the new foam that's been used. And this is waterproof, believe it or not. So the upper is treated to prevent any water from going into your feet. Really excited to try these on. This is giving me like serious hiking dad vibes about it. But this is a dope piece. We love it. We here at Oneupreviewz love the ACG all conditions gear. I'm gonna try these on for you right now. So without footage of me trying these TORRE mids on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to Nike. These fit perfectly. These look really good on. I know there's a lot of heat when it comes to boots at the minute because of the Louis Vuitton fashion show for Autumn 24. They were all wearing Timberland boots, but if you're not willing to pay that $190, $200, whatever, however it is, it's really expensive to get some Timberland boots. These are a really good alternative, and they're from Nike. This is ACG, all conditions gear. You know you're gonna get it waterproof. You're gonna get all that goodness, and they look hella dope on. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Before I sign off, if you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing the cargo joggers from Uniqlo. These are the parachute pants one, so they're quite wide. I think they're still available at the time of this recording, so do check it out. If anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, sponsor the boys. Thanks again guys. Peace.